Alright guys, so today we're going to be doing a caliper on a 1997 Dodge Ram 1500. So the first thing we're going to want to do is block off this brake line. To do that, if you don't have a line pincher, all you need is a pair of vice grips. Just to make it so no air gets past this line. Then what you're going to want to do is take off the brake line. It's going to be an 11mm bolt. Then you're going to want to take off the bracket bolts, which are actually an Allen wrench head, a 9mm. Let's just pop right out. Then we can go ahead and remove the caliper. Come over here to our new caliper. We're going to be reusing the brake pads, so we just go ahead and swap those over. I'm going to go ahead and start it out on the rotor like always, just to hold it into place. Then we can slide our caliper back on. Then we tighten back down those two 9mm Allen bolts. Then we put in our new bleeder screw. There's going to be two crush washers. One goes on the outside and one goes on the inside of the brake hose. Let me go ahead and hold that down. Do is take the line pincher off, and you can go ahead and bleed the brakes, but if you don't have another person help you out, all you have to do is take your 10mm wrench, break open that bleeder, and let that sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. It's going to slowly draw all the fluid through into the caliper, and it's going to bleed itself. And that's all there is to it. Doing a caliper on a 1997 Dodge Ram 1500.